coverage you can count on with meteorologist Rob Elvington and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
And we've got beautiful blue skies as we look off to the east from downtown Decatur. This view brought to you by the Thompson Roofing and Construction Sky Camera Network. And it's been a warm start to the work week. You'll notice temperatures right now in Decatur at 92 degrees. Just a light wind, mostly calm here at this hour. But look at the heat index value. It's actually 89 degrees, so kind of a negative heat index because of that dry air that's still in place. That moved behind that cold front that moved in on Saturday. So again, not terrible compared to what we had to deal with last week. And we will be tracking a pretty nice evening here for North Alabama. You'll notice temperatures dropping down to the mid 80s by 7, 8 o'clock and upper 70s by 9 and 10 o'clock tonight. Again, fairly light winds. So get out and enjoy it with that dry air and, of course, comfortable temperatures still in place. What we're seeing right now on the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network, dry conditions, just a few of those fair weather clouds, mostly south of the Tennessee River. That's it. We're back to mostly clear skies here heading through the evening and into the overnight hours. And before you likely even wake up tomorrow morning, we're into summer. Astronomical summer season starts tomorrow at 4:13 a.m. Central Daylight Time. That, of course, is the solstice. So officially in the summer season by tomorrow morning. And, of course, once we get past tomorrow, the days start getting shorter all the way up to the winter solstice in December. Looking ahead to tomorrow, we are expecting those highs up to the upper 90s. So a big jump in the temperatures for your Tuesday. And we will be keeping a close eye on the humidity slowly trickling back in by tomorrow. Areas west of I-65, closer to the shoals, you actually may have enough humidity in place to push those feels-like temperatures or the heat index back above 105 tomorrow. So again, a big jump in the temperatures and a slight increase in the humidity. Still nowhere near as bad as what we were dealing with last week. And here's what it looks like tomorrow on the humidity tracker. You'll notice all the greens. The darker the green, the more muggy the air mass, the more moisture coming in from out of the Gulf of Mexico. There's kind of a dividing line. Once you get closer to I-65, drier air still tucked in closer to Sand Mountain, getting a little bit more of the moisture as you head further off to the west. Heading through Wednesday and into Thursday, when we do expect to see temperatures up to around 100, if not slightly higher, we still have some of those greens in place. So I do expect to see some of those heat index values above 105, if not closer to 108, 109 by this coming Wednesday and Thursday. But we will be tracking some drier air coming in on Friday, but we're not expecting a huge drop in the actual temperature. Still close to 100 heading into this weekend. But again, it really depends on what the humidity is at for our peak heat index values each and every day. You'll notice again by Wednesday and Thursday some values above 105. Likely seeing some more heat advisories issued by the National Weather Service. And then a drop off on Friday with some of that drier air moving in. And then we are starting to see those values ticking back up again on Saturday with the return of some moisture. Future radar hardly tracking anything but a few passing clouds, all dry through your Tuesday afternoon. And we're going to stay dry all the way through your Wednesday and Thursday. So another big important thing is it's been pretty dry over the last couple of weeks with all this heat. So we're really starting to see a lot of moisture getting pulled out of the ground. So we're going to have to watch those drought conditions carefully heading through the summer. That we do expect a little bit of rain moving in by Sunday and Monday. But you'll notice the temperatures, again, still in the upper 90s through Sunday, just a slight drop to the mid 90s by Monday.